And today I tried out the Buddy Bucket, a flexible mixing bucket. First things first, I thought I'd see if I could fit in it. I couldn't. I also got a Marshalltown bucket trowel and a sponge, a solid bucket to mix in. Bucket has measurements inside to help gauges. I used the bucket for bonding cone to fill out a ceiling ready to be curved. The idea of it being a flexible bucket is that you don't have to clean it out once you're finished with it if you have anything left over, which I think for your after work jobs is going to be really helpful when you just want to get in and out. The instructions say just to wipe down the walls with the sponge, and once it's set inside, just knock it out. I think this bucket can take a good beating before it could break, and overall might be a decent thing to have in the back of the van. I think for a domestic plasterer that might not have anywhere to empty a wet bucket, it might be the ideal thing to get. Let me know what you think in the comments.